Hi guys, so we're here now at Hagnaya Port. So this will be our boat, and then we're taking our car here. Okay, so that's it. I'll tell you more about how much does it cost to do the Roro, bringing your car to Santa Fe, Bantayan Island. Hi guys, we are now here in Hagnaya Port in San Remigio. So when we came here, at the gate there is a porter guy that assists us. It's better faster because they know what they're doing. So we got here all the documents, all the paperwork. It's just a porter guy that we pay. We paid him like 50 pesos, and there are two of them, 100 something that we pay for them, you know, just give them a little bit of effort. And so what we paid here is the CPA, which is 168 pesos. Terminal fee is 25 pesos per person, and the car cost, it's 2,565 all in all, together with the fee, terminal fee. Okay, so that's 2,100. I will run it down, 2,100 for the car, and then for the person or passenger 305, I believe. And then, but I will gonna give you a rundown here on the side what's the cost. And then yeah, here's the hobby. We paid round trip already. Here round trip 2,520 minus CPA and terminal fee. Okay, so round trip. Going back, it will be an open ticket, so whatever time you want to go back.
Thank you.
Thank you. Going up there. So we are going to be the first one.
I don't know if that's good or not.
I have no idea.
If there's anyone to guide us on what.
Now loading the vehicle, going up. Okay, you can see there's the big guy now. It's moving already.
Stay like this or turn around?
The ring aside?
That side? Okay na?
Going to the right side. The process, straight the tire.
Okay.
More. What can you say?
Hey, we're here now on the ship, fully loaded. Well, we're fully loaded, but the ship is not fully loaded. It's raining, so we made it for the 3:30. Rather stressful morning. Money, lack of, mistake. Super rainy, coconuts all over the road, trees falling down, whiteout, squall conditions. But we made it here. Hopefully we don't hit rough seas and end up like Robinson Crusoe or something like that. But you know, Yan, what can you say? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah, but first, before the finish it, please, they blow the horn.
Yes, they will blow the horn. Then we will say, we are moving, yay! Okay, Siggy, on our way to Hagnaya, or in Hagnaya, on our way to Bantayan. Please like and subscribe.